Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. The Event Calendar Pro also allows you to manage ticketing and RSVPs for your events. This dashboard provides quick access to resources, settings, configuration options, WooCommerce integration, and ticket creation. The second section displays a list of tickets associated with your events, allowing you to manage ticket sales, pricing, and availability. You can filter by active tickets and search for specific tickets that in the attendees section. You can find information about attendees who have purchased tickets. Now, let's move on to the ticket settings. There are different tabs here. First, we will discuss the general settings. Here are the post types that can have tickets. You can select options by clicking the checkboxes. The location of the RSVP form can be selected from the drop-down. You can also select the location of ticket forms and add a threshold value for tickets. If you require users to log in before accessing RSVPs or purchasing tickets, select the relevant options. Click Save Changes. Now, let's move on to the payment section. In the payment gateway, Tickets Commerce provides an e-commerce checkout for purchasing tickets. You can enable this option. In the email section, you can customize customer communication when tickets are purchased. You can customize sender information, including name and email address. Set the header image and image alignment. Set header and footer backgrounds and ticket color. If you have a footer description, you can write it here. Click Save Changes. After that, you have options for attendee registration, wallet PDF, integrations, and licenses. Now, we will see how to create a ticket in an event. Click Edit on the event. The event settings will appear like this. Scroll down. You can see the ticket option. Click New Ticket, and the form will appear. Write the ticket name and description. Set the start sale date and time for your ticket, and set the end date and time. Set the ticket price. You can share the capacity with other tickets. Set the capacity, or select Unlimited Capacity. While scrolling down, you can access the Advanced tab, where you can write and SKU for the ticket. Move on to the Attendee Collection. You can enable Individual Attendee Collection, allowing purchasers to enter a name and email for each ticket. You can choose No Individual Attendee Collection, Allow Individual Attendee Collection, or Require Individual Attendee Collection. Move on to Attendee Information. If you want to collect information from your ticket buyers, you can do so from here. Set the fields by clicking the plus sign. You can write the label for the field, the placeholder, and a description. You can select the multi-line field. If you want to make this field mandatory, click Required. Click Save Ticket. As you can see, the ticket is created for this event. Move on and click Update. Now you can see the ticket generated here, showing the name Fashion Expo, event details, sales end date, and price. You can select the ticket quantity and click Get Tickets. That's all. Now we know how to set up ticket types, create payment methods, and create events with ticketing and registration using Event Calendar Pro. That is all about managing ticketing and RSVPs for your events. Subscribe for more useful videos.